anti-gravity shoes create a smooth, mesmerizing glide.
Welcome to the lab, where anti-gravity shoes come to life.
Every shoe starts as a detailed 3D design.
The laser cut on the EVA foam is flawless.
And the carbon fiber is within tolerance. We can proceed to bonding.
Air chambers are sealed for smooth gliding motion.
Magnets create hovering effects on special tracks.
Every part is tested for precision and safety.
Smart sensors in anti-gravity shoes track every jump and landing.
Engineers monitor anti-gravity shoes' performance in real time.
The first anti-gravity shoes prototype test happens indoors.
Testers get ready to experience anti-gravity shoes in action.
Springs lift the wearer slightly during anti-gravity shoes tests. Air cushion anti-gravity shoes glide effortlessly across surfaces.
Magnetic anti-gravity shoes hover like science fiction magic. Slow motion captures every detail of anti-gravity shoes' performance.
Data ensures anti-gravity shoes are stable and safe.
Repeated jumps refine the balance of anti-gravity shoes.
Spring anti-gravity shoes let testers jump higher and land softer.
Air cushion anti-gravity shoes glide smoothly in real-world test. Magnetic anti-gravity shoes hover only on special tracks. Engineers check stability during jumps with anti-gravity shoes.
Every step for comfort.
Anti-gravity shoes are tested hundreds of times for durability. Magnetic anti-gravity shoes are checked for stability under pressure.
Anti-gravity shoes perform safely in real-world conditions.
Each pair of anti-gravity shoes is fine-tuned for perfect performance.
High-speed footage shows every movement of anti-gravity shoes.
The glossy finish makes anti-gravity shoes look futuristic.
Comfort and technology meet in every pair of anti-gravity shoes.
Only perfect anti-gravity shoes pass the final quality check.
See the anti-gravity shoes in action for the first time.
Anti-gravity shoes create a smooth, mesmerizing glide. From lab to field, anti-gravity shoes redefine movement forever.
Don't miss more amazing designs. Subscribe now for behind the scenes of anti-gravity shoes.